This 2025 Forest River Sierra 3990FL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Anna, Illinois, 62906 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Anna. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features a switchback interior, sleeps 8, slide-out, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, loft, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.